Okay, Ernie, here's your FE engine starting to go together. Right now we're checking the bearing clearances. I've already done the rods. That one has 2.5 thousandths, almost 2.5 thousandths. The rule of thumb on the bearing clearance is 1/1000th per inch of the diameter of the journal. So we're right there in order for that. That's all good. I'm going to show you how we do one here. I'm going to hand the camera over to Denise. Alright, so we take the cap. I've already lubed the bolts. The cap can only go in one way. It goes this way. I put assembly lube on the bolts because torque is a measurement of friction. So having oil on them lets them move smoother and not bind up when you're torquing them. You tap the cap down. Torque wrench is set. Okay, now we need to measure the crank. So we're working on the number 1 journal. So this wants to be fit perfectly to the diameter of the crank, which it feels good. And I always hold it with a pair of vice grips just so it don't move. And then I can set the dial bore gauge. And basically zero the dial bore gauge, so the difference will be the oil clearance. Okay. And there we go. We got about 2.25 thousandths. So we're good. We can disassemble all this and get ready to put the crank in it. Keith will have this within a month or so. Cut. Alright, Ernie, here's one of your heads. Got all new valve springs. All new valves. Got hardened seats in them. Turned out real good. Should be a really good running engine. I forgot to show you on the block. It got all the freeze plugs in it. Got all the old galley plugs in it. So yeah, we're coming along on this pretty good. I think Keith's got the paint code, so we're going to be painting it that white color before I completely assemble everything. Still got to look into that a little bit to decide whether the gasket gets painted or the gasket don't get painted. So we got to find out that, and then just detail it out. That's going to take the most time.